Hey everybody, it's Eric here with Spartanautoworx. Today we're going to talk about Ford BCMs and the easiest way to make it plug and play for your late model Ford vehicle. Alright, so what do we have here? We've got a late model Ford BCM out of, I believe, a 2011 or 2013 light Ford SUV, like an Explorer or something like that. I can't remember now what this was. But this one had no left front window activation, and we were able to clone the original and clone it into a used replacement and made it 100% plug and play for the shop that was doing the install. There's two different types of this Ford BCM, which are going to be the most common. Now, there's multiple Ford BCMs that we can clone, but these are going to be the most common, these Lear style BCMs. And it'll tell you the manufacturer on the back, the Lear manufacturer right there for the part number, for the Lear part number. And then you got the Ford part number up here. So when we clone these, it's going to be 100% clone 1-to-1. So that way when you get it back for your vehicle, you can just plug it in. Now, normally this isn't a huge deal, but on these later model Ford trucks especially, or anything, I think it's 2016 and newer, where you have to do a perimeter reset with either a Ford authenticated login, so basically a dealer level login, or a locksmith ID to do the perimeter reset. This is where these become much more important to have cloned for the DIYer. Now, if you have the proper credentials and the proper tools, obviously you can go right through, no problem. But the problem is that a lot of people that even have the proper tooling can't do the perimeter reset because they don't have the locksmith ID. So if you have a Ford BCM that is faulty and you need a replacement, give us a call or drop us an email. You can call us at 636-795-6960, or go to our website. Our new website that has all our electronic offerings is plug_play-parts.com. You can go there, use the contact us, and then send us an email with your contact information, vehicle information, part number if you have it. And then what we can do is we can look up either a used replacement that we can help you source, or we can buy a new one. And you can send in your original. We can clone it to a brand new one, or you supply a used one. We can clone it to the used one. And then when you get it back, it's 100% plug and play. We haven't really advertised the service. We have been doing it for a while, but we haven't really advertised the service. We're now getting to the point where we've got the time that we can do these. So we are going to start doing this as a mail-in service. So if you have a Ford BCM that needs replaced and you don't want to take the trip to the dealer or deal with somebody that might not be able to complete the job, send us your original BCM along with your replacement, or call us about sourcing a replacement or sourcing a new unit, and we'll get you taken care of. 100% plug and play. 636-795-6960. Again, 636-795-6960. Or you can go to the website, plug_play-parts.com, and use the contact us form. Thanks. Have a great day.